In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Gantt, a Gantt chart in Notion. By the end, you'll have a clean, visual timeline for your projects and the confidence to tweak it so it fits the way you work. First, open the Notion website. Give it a moment to load and make sure you're on the home page where you can explore tools and resources for your workspace. From here, click Marketplace. This is where you'll find a wide range of ready-made setups created specifically for Notion, which saves you time and helps you get started with best practices baked in. Inside the Marketplace, head to the search bar and type Gantt chart. This tells Notion you're looking for timelines and project planning templates that display tasks across time. You'll see a variety of results, often with previews, short descriptions, and sometimes user ratings. Take a second to look at the screenshots and read the summaries so you can pick the layout and style that matches your needs, whether that's a simple timeline or a more complete project dashboard. You'll notice that some templates are free and some are paid. Free templates are great for quick setups, trials, or personal projects. Paid ones can include more advanced views, automation, or polished design elements that might be useful for teams or larger initiatives. Choose what makes sense for your budget and complexity. If you're just getting started, a free option is often more than enough. Once you've found a template you like, select it and click Edit. This brings the template into your Notion workspace so you can start using it right away. After it's added, you'll see the Gantt view and usually a supporting database of tasks. Now comes the fun part. Customize everything. Rename the project to match your goals and adjust the task names so they reflect your real work. Set start and end dates for each task so the timeline renders correctly. If the template includes properties like status, priority, or assignee, tailor those to your workflow and hide anything you don't need. Feel free to refine the timeline scale to show days, weeks, or months, depending on your planning horizon. Update colors or tags to make milestones stand out. You can rearrange tasks to reflect dependencies and group them by category or team to keep the view tidy. As you adjust dates, watch how the bars shift on the Gantt chart. It's a quick way to spot overlaps and gaps. That's it. Open Notion, go to the Marketplace, search for Gantt chart, choose a template that fits, click Edit, and customize it to match your project. With those steps, you'll have a clear, visual plan you can maintain with ease.